Each new day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a vocabulary, a new word. The word we are going to see today is dwindle. Dwindle. You should pronounce this word as dwindle. Dwindle, 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 dwindle. This is the pronunciation for this word, dwindle. This is the pronunciation for this word, dwindle. Dwindle is a verb. Verb is an action word. What is the meaning of this word, dwindle, and how can you use this word in your sentence? These are the two questions we are going to discuss in this class. So, look at the meaning for this word dwindle. To become smaller or weaker. In other words, you can say to gradually become less, smaller or lower in level. It means to become smaller in size or amount or fewer in number. You have become clear about the meaning of the word dwindle. Dwindle means to become smaller in size or amount or fewer in number. To become less. Look at the usage. Dwindling funds. Fund means amounts. Dwindling fund means reducing funds. Dwindling resources. Lessening resources. Resources are becoming smaller in size. Dwindling stocks. Stocks become less. Dwindling population. Population become less. So, look at the synonyms for the word dwindle. Diminish, decrease, reduce, wane. These are the words which have the same meaning as dwindle. Dwindle means to diminish, to reduce, to decrease, to wane. The opposite for the word dwindle is increase. Increase in size, flourish. So dwindle means diminish, decrease, reduce or wane. But the opposite is increase. You have become clear about the meaning of the word dwindle and its synonyms and antonyms. Now, we are going to use the word dwindle in sentence. Look at this sentence. Support for the party dwindles away to nothing. Support for the party dwindles away to nothing. It means supports for the party reduced to nothing. Example number 2. The population of the area dwindles from 30,000 to 26,000. It means the population of that area become less in number from 30,000 to 26,000. The population of the area has reduced. And the last example, Subha's hope of success in the race dwindled last night as the weather became worse. Subha is going to participate in a running race competition tomorrow. She hopes that she will get the medal in the competition. But her hopes of success in the race diminished last night as the weather became worse. Subha's hope of success in the race decreased last night as the weather became worse. So far in this class, we have discussed the pronunciation, meaning, synonyms and antonyms, and the usage of the word dwindle. Dwindle means to reduce in size, to become less in number. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.